Yeah, Becky, I'm on my way. I'm almost there. You see me now.
Prince has left for Dubai.
What? But I spoke with him a few minutes ago. Okay, no problem. I'll talk to you later.
Yes, I'll meet you up.
Yeah, it's okay.
Alright, bye.
Mr. Joe.
Madam.
Take me back home.
Mama. Nora. Mama. What is the problem? What has that Reverend Sister done to you?
What have I done? What have I done that God would allow this happen to me?
Mama, please stop. Don't worry. I will take care of it, okay? I will take care of it. Trust me.
Please. Go to the farm and call my husband.
Which of the farm?
I said run!
See, Amanda,
Yes, baby.
you didn't tell me your experience you had in Dubai. How did it go? How was it?
Baby. It was not an easy one.
Right?
Nah. When I first got there, it was hell.
Wow.
I went through hell. But as God may have it, after some years of hustling, bustling, things started to take shape. And here I am, your girl, a big girl.
I see.
Doing well. I'm at Dubai.
I hope no man touched you.
Come on, babes. Nobody. Why would you even say something like that?
You were there for a long time.
I went there to make money and not to sleep with men.
It's okay. I trust you.
So,
No. I'm just trying to. Is it not okay? I find out. You said you did.
How about you?
Me? Clean, clean, over clean.
But I didn't question you. I didn't ask because I believe you.
If I ask you, does it mean I don't believe you? I'm just trying to clear my own mind.
Anyways, babes, you see my experience in Dubai. I will have to write a book someday about it.
You're kidding me.
I'm telling you, like one of these days when I'm in a very, very, very relaxed mood. Right now, I want to be with my man. I will tell you the story.
Alright.
But I just need you to know that your girl went.
Yes.
She saw and she conquered.
And she conquered.
That's it. Not Dubai. They don't call me that for nothing, you know. I'm not Dubai.
And
Baby,
I shock you happy.
you did.
Don't say no. You're the mother of my children. Don't say no. Please. I love you very much. Still admiring your ring. This ring, Yenta, is sweet.
It's fine.
See, baby, this is our wedding. We have made history in this village.
I'm telling you.
What?
Babe. I'm telling you.
It went down.
It went down, babes. It went down. I mean, thank God. I'm so grateful to God, babes.
Hey.
Kai, I'm so happy.
So am I. We are still going to that Dubai, right?
Yes, babes, of course we are.
Hi.
I'm processing the papers. Soon we will be on our way to Dubai.
This Dubai, I never
Dubai.
enter.
You go enter am now.
Hi.
You go enter am. See, babes,
Hi.
when we get to Dubai, they'll call you. Me already, I'm Amana Dubai. Then you will be Izuna Dubai.
Izuna
Imagine
Dubai.
that.
Hey.
Dubai.
Habibi, welcome to Dubai.
Izu? You're sleeping here while you're supposed to be in your workshop?
I have one nice dream like that. It's your own problem now.
You have one nice dream like that, it will be my own problem. I'm sorry, eh? I will soon leave, then you can go back to your dream. Amaka said she's been calling you and you're not picking up.
Calling me for what? Why is she calling?
So, that woman is carrying your baby.
She can go to hell. She and the baby.
Izu, that is not fair.
Make it fair now. Make it fair. Hello. Hello, how are you doing?
Hi, I'm fine. Try and see me, okay?
Oh, okay. That's fine. How did it go?
I cannot say anything. I'm on the road. But try and see me.
Okay, that's okay. I will be there soon.
Alright.
Okay, I beg. I have another.
Endeavor to see your wife and find out why she's calling you.
Mama, why is your face like this? What is it? Where is Adaka? He has gone to help your father. So what is it? Why is your face like this?
A reverend sister came here today. She said that God revealed to her that your husband to be is his own.
God revealed to her that my husband to be is his own.
Yes.
Mama, God is not an author of confusion. There is no way he would tell me to marry a married man. Izundu is a married man. So why will God tell me to marry a married man? Are you sure the person that came here is a reverend sister?
Fully true.
Ogene!
What happened to my husband?
What is it?
Ogene!
Adaka, what happened?
He was bitten by a snake.
What? Yes. Turn the car, let's take him to the hospital.
No! Ogene! Don't try him! Don't try him!
Yes.
Yes. I know a specialist in this village that can handle this snake bite. when it comes to snake bite.
And
yes.
why are you still standing here?
Let me
My friend
tell
can't call the person. Quick!
Nani,
Papa, what
what
happened?
kind of snake?
What is this? What happened?
Oh,
The black one, yes.
Hey!
oh, Papa Trumbe.
Is there anything like hope? I think we're supposed to tie the leg, yeah?
I told you you're going to like this.
Let's
Yes.
see.
I know you enjoy yourself.
It's nice.
Sweet, right? That's right. This is lovely. This place is a very nice place to visit every day.
That means we'll come here often.
I say that again. But meanwhile, I'll be coming to see your parents this weekend. Yes. So that we can fix dates for all the traditional rites and possibly the traditional marriage.
Are you serious?
Yes. I know you like this.
I love you, baby.
And I love you. I can do anything for you. Come on. So,
I'm so happy.
yeah, and I'm happy too. Yes. That's my baby.
You have my day. I'm telling you, I'm so indebted to you. I will owe you for life. I'm telling you, I thank you so much. Telling you.
It's okay. The ball is now in your court.
Happy? So from here, I'm going to go straight there. I'm going to go and see her.
No. You don't have to. Just give it time so that the message will assimilate.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
So they will surely send for you.
They will send for me.
Yeah, of course they will. Why not?
Okay, that's
I had everything done.
They will send for me.
Yes.
Please, I want you to take this. Take this.
No. I don't need your money.
It's okay now. It's a dash. It's from me.
Izu, I don't want it.
You've done well now.
Izu, you are a very handsome man. I mean, I am not asking you to marry me. I just want you to make me feel something. I just want to feel something with you. It's going to be so sweet.
Wait now. What are you saying? Wait. What is it?
I just want to feel something with you. Something so sweet and soft. And I know it's going to be so nice.
Oh, hold on. Wait now. Wait.
I'm beginning to be worried about the continuous stay of Amanda in this village. Now all eyes on her. And she wants to get married.
What are you talking about? My brother is going to marry Amanda.
Tina, stop pulling my legs.
I am not pulling your legs. I am serious. Don't worry, very soon, all you will hear is Pious weds Amanda.
But the last time I checked, your brother was in love with Jane.
No. Did my brother and Jane dated? Yes. But did my brother promise Jane to marry her? No way. And I'm serious about that. You have Jane's number, right? You can call her and confirm.
Okay, I want to start going.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye.
You have made my day.
Look, you know whatever we did, it cannot continue, right? We can't be doing this. You know that.
Okay. So, in other ways, I should go back and tell Amanda that you are no longer interested, right?
No, I didn't say that. That's not what I said. I didn't say that.
Okay. Listen, as I work for you, I expect you to always work for me. You know what that means, right? I'm so surprised. How come you're so soft, but You're so strong inside, like so strong. Mataranota is with you. It's with you. Pretender. I know you're enjoying it. That's why you're holding me like that. Oh my.
Hey, young man, stop your assertion. Look at the way you are walking as if you are the owner of this house. Adaka, don't you know me again? See, I am a military man. When I'm on my duty, I don't know anybody. Eh? What relationship do I have to do with a civilian? Bloody civilian like you. Adaka, it's me, Pius. Moa. Yeah, Pius. Search yourself. Don't allow me to do it for you. Look at it. It's just this ring. Ring. Give me. What is this for? It's for my fiancé. And who is your fiancé? Amanda, of course. Hey! Hey! I'm out! Hey! Madam, come! This is one of the criminals! I told you there are many in this village! How did this man blaspheme against law? Office!
Mr. Pius, I'm so sorry for whatever might have happened. He's obviously trying to do his job and overdoing it.
It's okay. It's all right. He has my ring. Madam, this is a suspect.
Adaka, give him back his ring. Now!
Get look, say no don't ring. I will machete you like Makasi.
Once again, I'm so sorry. Please call me.
Sorry. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
They will see that I'm not working. See criminal. Eh? They're here to do Lord of the Ring. Madam, be careful. Be careful, oh.
Good afternoon.
Hi, good afternoon.
Yes, is Amanda around?
Yes, she's around. Have you come to repair her?
No.
No.
Ah,
Hey.
sweetheart.
Amanda.
Ah, you're here.
Yes. How are you?
I'm fine. I hope you didn't find it difficult coming here. Did you?
No, not really.
Have you eaten?
Yes.
Nah. You look hungry.
You've not eaten.
Do you have anything for me?
No, of course I do. Sit down, let me get you a drink, eh?
Yeah.
So you freshen up before I get the food. I'm coming, guys.
I can't take this. No, I can't take this insult. I can't continue with this. What rubbish? What is it? What is it? You should know that fool. That will nobody. That will entity. Again, I'm even trying to manage. Had the effrontery to insult me. No, Papa, I can't take it. It's over. Now I truly understand that penance that the devil you know is better than the angel you don't know. I can't take that insult.
Wait, is it Amanda you are talking about?
Yes, Papa. Papa, yes. That girl doesn't have any respect. She doesn't have any respect whatsoever. What the kind of insult she gave to me? Who does she think she is?
I'm not surprised. You already made it clear that you don't want her. So, what's surprising?
Papa, I don't want her. Papa, I don't even want anything that has to do with her. Papa, if you see the kind of insult this girl gave to me today, Papa, you will not even allow me to marry that girl, not even for a second. Not minding the riches of what nonsense she has. I can't take that insult from her. I can't. Papa, is that the kind of girl you want me to marry?
Yes!
Papa?
Listen, in case you don't understand, you are bringing her into your house as your POS. POS.
Papa?
Yes! Listen, you must go back to her, propose to her, before Austin overtakes you. Go back and propose to her. What are you talking about? Oh, wait. Hey, this is my son. Hey, you don't know what you're doing. Ego Dinogu. Her pounds and dollars justify the struggle. Well, go back and propose to her. How about there? Oh, you go, Kayana. Not this one. Go and propose to her, please.
Papa, what? Hey, what happened?
You will kill yourself. I was calling you. You didn't hear my voice. Okay.
Are you done with the food?
Yes, I'm done.
Good. What about Amaka? Has she eaten?
She's in the kitchen eating.
She's eating there.
Yes.
Bring my own here.
Let me go and bring the food. Okay? Where is Pius? The food that was sitting there.
I don't know. He just left. Maybe you ask him to eat.
I'm okay. Maybe you went to eat himself. Okay, you should start with this one while the food is getting ready.
All this for me.
Of course.
Wow.
So how are you?
I'm fine.
And how is family, everyone? Especially your sister. What's that?
Clara.
Name? Clara. It's been long I saw her.
Clara is married though.
What?
She's
Clara.
married, yes.
She's married. Wow, that's good. That's good news. So where is her husband from? From this village?
No. Her husband is from Mumweze. And currently both of them live in Paris, France.
Clara lives in Paris with her family.
Yes, so.
Wow, that's wonderful. What a lucky girl. She's so lucky.
I'm telling you.
That's good news. I can see everybody's doing so well. So how about you? When are you getting married? Or you don't have anyone in your life right now?
Well, I have.
So who is this lucky girl?
Suzanne.
Hold on. Are you talking about my own Susan?
Your friend.
Susan. I didn't see this coming. Are you serious? Wow, that's good. So when are you calling us to drink? Of course. When are you going now?
Yes. Well, very soon. Very soon. Well, not fixed date yet, but very soon.
God, I'm so happy for you.
Thank you very much.
I'm so happy for yours too. You're actually doing well for yourself, you know.
Thank God. This is very sweet. I've enjoyed it.
Enjoy yourself. Please, now give me a minute. Let me take care of something. I'm coming.
stop there! Stop there! Madam. Sorry. Ajay.
Were you actually sleeping?
Sleeping? No.
Sleeping on duty?
No, I don't pass that level. I was just meditating. I was meditating. Thank you.
Where is Pius? Pius Obidibo, the guy that came, the one on the yellow t-shirt.
Oh. Pius, you see that thing I was afraid of has happened. I told you.
Adaka, what are you saying? I'm asking you something else. You're saying something else. Did you see him? Where did he go to?
Yes, Pius. See him. Look at him coming. I told him not to leave, but he wouldn't listen. Huh? What do you want me to do? Left leg.
I came out, I didn't see you. I'm so sorry I kept you. I had to fix up something for my guest.
It's okay. I actually just walked out to get something.
Oh, okay. You said you wanted us to talk about something. So maybe you should, since you're in a hurry and probably you have something to do, so talk about it.
Yes, I heard your father was bitten by a snake.
Oh yes, that's true. But he's fine now.
Oh, thank God. So is he inside? I mean, is he at home?
Nah, he went to one of those meetings, village meetings. Elderly people are meetings. He went to one of them. He's not around. So, like I said, I have a guest. So, whatever you want to say, I believe you should make it quick.
Okay, Amanda. Please, would you marry me? Please.
You said what?
I said I want you to marry me.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Pius, I believe your father is one of the custodians of our culture. So I would suggest you meet him so he would direct you on how to go about this. Do you understand?
Amanda, look, I know all that, okay? I know, but this is between you and I, okay? Look, I know that I'm supposed to come on a fixed date for introduction and the marital rights. This is just the first step. If you say yes to me now, then I'll go and come back.
Oh, really?
Yes. Please don't say no.
I like something you said just now. You said it's between you and I.
Yes.
Right?
Yes, just the first step.
So between you and I, I'm going to say this. Or rather, I'm going to ask you this question. Adaka, sit down. Sit down. Like I said, Pius, I am going to ask you this question.
Okay.
In a very, very simple way. No offense ahead of it. If I were your sister, if I were to be your sister, and then I hustled, I tried everything possible to get a visa to better my life. And I got a visa and traveled out of this village to make a living for myself. And then I went all the way to Dubai. From Dubai, I went to Malaysia. From Malaysia, I went to Indonesia. From Indonesia, I went to India. All the Arab nations put together. Hustled my life out for 7 good years, Pius. And then luck smiled on me. I made something out of my life. Came back to this village with so much money. Pius, I didn't just come back with money. I came back with class. We boutique. Came back with so much poise and class. Pious. And then some man looking just like you. A rickety looking man. A rickety looking man with no future, no prospect, none in sight. Not even a vision like you comes calling and then says he wants to marry me. Pious, if you were my brother, I ask you, what would you do?
Answer her, young man.
Amanda, look, I only came here to ask for your hand in marriage, okay? I don't understand.
What don't you understand? I just literally told you a story right now. And I asked you, if you were my brother, what would you do?
Amanda, I don't understand what you're saying.
Well, what you don't understand is we are not of the same feather, Pious. They say birds of same feather flock together. Well, you see, the problem here is I've got feathers. I have feathers, but you don't have feathers. So first of all, you need to look for feathers. Grow some feathers, then you look for someone that has the same feathers like you. Then you two can flock together. Do you understand? Because I'm not your class. So in a nutshell, what I am trying to say is look for a local champion like you. A rickety looking one like you. A poverty-stricken one like you that does not have a class or poise to do this rubbish with. So this is why you came with this nonsense into my father's compound. Let this be the last time you come here talking rubbish.
Okay. My madam has the feathers. Eagle feathers. Your own is feathered. Vulture feather. Leave. Leave! You come to do Lord of the Ring in this compound. Madam has given me on the car. Nonsense.
You know, some people can be very, very funny. Like, really funny. Without even knowing. Can you imagine that what's that his name? The guy that was sitting here. Pious Obidibo. That rickety looking human being came here. Hey, God, I've suffered. Came here with a ring to ask for my hand in marriage. Can you imagine? You know what? Like, if let's say I was his sister, if I were to be his sister, and then I suffered and went all the way to Dubai, conquered Indonesia, Malaysia, all the Shias, all the Arab nations, made money for myself, made a name for myself, came back with so much class, and then he comes, a local champion like him, with no pedigree, with nothing to show for himself, with nothing to write home, no prospect in future, nothing, comes to marry someone like me who happens to be his own sister. How would he feel? Oh. It's the God for me. It's the God.
Pious has a fiancée. He has a fiancée. Jane is her name.
Hold on a minute. You said he has a what?
A fiancée.
Pious has a fiancée.
I'm telling you.
And he came here to ask me to marry him. God. Is he okay? No. You should know better. You stay in this village with him. Does he have some kind of mental problem?
This guy is a very funny guy. You know, well, I don't blame
God,
them.
I really don't
blame them. You are the happening baby. So every young man wants to settle down with you.
True.
And by legality of marriage, the person automatically becomes a millionaire.
Oh, really?
Exactly.
I see. These dudes are funny. You know, the funny thing is, they don't know that I can never, ever marry a man who loves my money. I will marry a man who loves me and is up to my standard. Like, I don't understand why someone who should be thinking about his miserable life, how to upgrade himself from poverty to something, is thinking of marrying me. Like, it's the God for me. It's the audacity to wake up. Like, I thought he came here to discuss something important. Oh, God.
These guys are very funny, guys. Very funny. Well, you are right. Any man that wants to settle down with you must be somebody that loves you, not your money.
Exactly. See why I like you. You're a very reasonable man. I don't know why you never. Do you have any emergency?
No, not as if it's emergency, but
relax.
Okay, if you say so.
I'm saying so. Austin, you're such a nice guy. Just keep being you, okay?
You're nice too.
Oh, please.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, and how are you?
I'm fine.
Now, how is your father, by the way?
My father is fine. He's at home.
Okay.
Mama, I have a complaint. When you get home, talk to that your daughter. Talk to her. Warn her. I mean, she doesn't have regard whatsoever for anybody in this village.
Calm down. Which of my daughters?
Amanda.
What happened?
Amanda insulted me. Amanda insulted me. She doesn't have regard whatsoever. I mean, that girl is so too boastful, too arrogant. Mama, seriously, if I was a bad person, I would have dealt with that girl mercilessly today.
Do you know why the Amanda, that's my daughter that I know, would never insult anyone. Something must have happened. What happened?
Mama, what has happened? I mean, I asked Amanda to marry me. Is that a bad thing? A full grown-up man like me, am I not old enough to marry? Mama, please, when you get home, ask Amanda, is she not old enough to get married and have her own children?
Why yo? Just take it easy, please. You asked Amanda to marry you?
Yes.
Ndiwa, call follow. You asked Amanda to marry you. Are you a fool? No, in Apwala. Are you so stupid? Igwe? How dare you ask Amanda to marry you? What condition? What occasion? Why? Why would you ask Amanda to marry you?
Mama, it's me, Pius.
Of course I know it is you, Pius. Who else would it be? But I thought you were sensible. Well, obviously, you have nothing in your head. Pius without Upolo. That is what you are now. Upolo less. Yeah! That's my daughter. They don't need you when I ask her to marry you. How did you even ask her to marry you? Did you speak English or Igbo or Hausa? Which one? Maybe you added Yoruba, all of them together. I mean, look at you.
Do you know any Richard Udenta?
Richard Udenta? I know one Richard Udenta family from Umede community. Yes, the name of their son is Afamifuna.
That is the same person. Thank you very much. So, how well do you know him? What do you know about him?
Not too well. It was rumored that the boy traveled to Malaysia. Yes, Malaysia.
Really? Wow. Are you serious?
Yes. Is there any security?
Nothing.
Hey! here to ask for your hand in marriage. And you did not drive him out. Are you insane? In Apola?
Mama, I am not insane. I said no.
You said no?
Yes, I said I will not marry him.
Now concur if you believe.
I concur.
Action, they say, speaks louder than
Machete,
words.
okay, words.
Don't you know you should have attacked that man? Broken his head? Ha! That would serve as a deterrent to any other man, stupid man that comes in here to ask for your hand in marriage.
Mama, all these are not necessary. Come on.
You know the problem I have with you? You're too quiet. Ain't it too quiet? And you stood here and allowed the stupid pious to enter my compound.
Mama, I said no to him. It's my decision to make, and I said I will not marry him.
No! It's how you say you won't marry him that is the problem. My problem is you attack him.
If I see him again, Mama.
Yes, see? You don't have any nonsense. Why didn't you attack the boy?
Baby, what are you carrying?
Yes, see? Why didn't you attack the boy?
Mama, it's against my
allow somebody is sleeping.
It's against my security orders. Check that bag. Check the contents of that bag.
I'm in a hurry.
Just want to be security conscious. Huh? You didn't tell me that the name of the guy is Fidelity. One Fidelity came here. Let me see the Fidelity here. Can't he come himself?
Hey, nah. It could be he's always busy.
Always busy for the past 10 years.
Hey, I heard that Oyibo people, they always have light. And everywhere is always bright. Working 24 hours.
Please, I am begging you. If my son is still alive, please, compel him to come home.
He say. Baba, what is it now? Eh?
They say there's power in the tongue. Why are you confessing negatively? Why? My instinct tells me that very soon my brother will return.
He say, oh, mom,
hold yourself. Still big dinkba.
See, my good friend, a stranger cannot come in the middle of the night to attack us without the help of indigents.
Yes, you are absolutely right.
Oh.
Woe unto that man who has chosen to betray his people.
Oh.
That man in question must die a shameful death.
He say.
Must die a shameful death.
He say.
Hi, my child friend. I have a special palm wine in my house, and you know where I gotta get that palm wine from Ugunko now. The best palm wine tapper in this our community.
No. Not that I'm rejecting your offer, but I cannot take palm wine with an empty stomach.
Don't worry about that. I will take care of it. Or are you still afraid of what happened last time?
Afraid of? No. Far be it from me. See, I told my wife to prepare my favorite. Some other time I will get in your house.
Aye, my man. Okay. I will on my way. Okay. My regards to your family.
Thank you, I will.
Sweetheart.
Yes. It's a happy day for us.
Honey.
Yes.
I have good news. Yes.
I'm listening. I'm all ears.
So our papers are ready. Everything is ready.
Yeah.
So in few days' time, we will be going on our honeymoon.
You don't mean it.
I am serious.
You don't mean it.
I'm serious.
This calls for a proper celebration.
True.
I'm telling you.
True.
In a few days. Cheers.
Yes.
In fact, let's switch.
To fruitfulness.
Yes.
More money.
Prosperity.
More love.
More children.
If you love children a lot.
Too much sex.
Oh my God. I'm so happy.
Wow.
I cannot wait to spend like every day with you, doing nothing.
Really? See, take one more. I think you're holding my drink. Have my room. Come. Wow.
Everything is good now. I don't know.
Isn't them? This is me. I brought you food.
Get out of my shop. Get out of my workshop. Leave! Get out! Leave here!
So why are you doing this to me now? Eh? Why are you doing this to me? So you promised to love me. You said to your death do us part.
Get out! In the days of foolishness, anything can come out of your mouth. I don't want to hear you. Get out! Leave here! Just come and spoil it for me. Nonsense. Rubbish.
You see, my daughter, I always tell people, I like to advise people. A man who was not born with a golden spoon does not mean you will sit down, fold your hands, because you are not born with a golden spoon. You understand? So one should go and make some positive impact for his generation, not just folding your hand because now
Papa, you are absolutely right. You see, this is exactly what I did. You know, 7 years ago, no one gave me the opportunity. No one gave me the chance to travel out of the chores of this country. But what did I do? I did not relax, waiting and crying and looking for pity party. I had to be determined. I had to take the bull by the horn. I had to work hard. I had to put in the work. I had to be determined to make it. And Papa, see me now. See me now. See me 7 years after, I am burning. And this is exactly what I tell the generation of these days, this Gen Z. You don't just sit down, wake up and want to live the larger life without working for it.
Search yourself or I search you.
Adaka, let her be.
See, enemies can come in
Adaka, allow her to come in, please.
Do you trust her?
You're welcome.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, my daughter. How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
How is your father?
He's fine, sir.
And everybody in your family?
Adaka, please go back to your post.
Oh, she's genuine. She's genuine.
Go back to your post.
She's genuine. You can
go
continue.
back to your post, Adaka. Thank you.
And let me meet the two of you. Let me go inside.
No problem.
All right.
Tina, is everything all right? How are you? Let me get you seats and offer you something. What would you like? Wine, champagne, tea, coffee? You want wine?
Hello? I was just about to call you when your call came in.
How are you?
Hey, I'm fine. I'm fine.
When is your wedding coming up?
Are you serious? Which wedding?
Your wedding, of course.
Look now, that's what I'm saying. I told you I was going to call you.
Sweetheart, you should have told me.
That is why I'm saying I was going to call you.
It's okay. I'll do something about it. I love you. I said I love you.
I love you too. Yeah, I love you too. Bye. I need to do something about the situation. I need to do something.
Amaka. Manyu Vicker.
Good afternoon.
Hey, afternoon. Oh. Have a seat. How are you?
Welcome. I'm fine, thank you. Why are you stressing yourself?
Come on, have it now.
Thank you.
Good day, sir. I understand that your friend is a troubled person. Tell him to fasten his belt, because I will come for him very soon.
Sir, but I believe very soon everything will be sorted amicably.
I don't understand what you're talking about. Tell Izundo that any day I remember him, I will come for him and I will eat him raw.
It's okay. I hope you're good. I'm alright.
Hey,
How's the baby?
I'm fine. But you well.
Thank you. Wow.
How could Austin do this to me? After so many years of courtship.
This is not right. This is not fair. I'm even shocked. I'm shocked. I'm disappointed. I mean, how could Austin do that to you? How? So what are you going to do now?
Nothing. I'm just confused.
Confused? You can't just fold your arms now. You can't just watch him do this to you. How? Don't do that. You just fold your arms and say you are confused. No, now.
Marriage is not by force. He has made his choice. So be it.
So be it. Rubbish. Marriage is not by force. It's my plan. What I want to do now? This girl is an idiot. She's a fool. What kind of rubbish is this? Hi. Don't even get me mad. And I may send you. Say go see my ex-wife. Did I ask you to go and see her? She should have poured water on you and even add acid. Nonsense. Okay, is that all you have to say? What do you want me to say? What do you want me to talk? I sent you to go see my ex-wife without my consent? Did I?
Izundo, you can say anything you like. But let me tell you, Udenta is threatening to deal with you. Mark my words, he's threatening to deal with you. So if you like, don't go and see him before he vents his plane.
You and Udenta can go to hell for all I care. I don't care. I don't care.
I thought by now you would have married Amanda.
Oh, we will get married.
What's holding you?
We will get married soon. We shall get married. Very soon, watch it. and nobody can do anything about it. No one can do anything about it.
Really? We will get married. Watch.